More in the house of Flavia, the area around the house. We just learned something a minute ago from a passing tour, that the gardens we looked at a little bit ago were all destroyed in an archaeological dig about 100 years ago or so, and the archaeologist was a gardener, and he made a point of replanting them as he was going about his dig. So while there were gardens there before, the current gardens are about 100 years old. And I'm just doing like a 360 from where I'm standing. I'm officially sick of the rain. Glad yesterday was a dry day, because that was probably the only dry day we'll have here, if we pay attention to the weather reports. That's a doorway we just came through. Some more walls. And Bridget again. She's pretty sick of the rain too. And where we started. More later.